Hello to all the loyal companions of the channel. Starting today, we are going to have lots of exciting events and fascinating tutorials for you every day. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right now and join me on this journey. I posted the basic pattern tutorial on the channel today, and from now on, we will use this very pattern for all our lessons. So be sure to watch this video first. I placed the link in the description and up here. After drafting the pattern, you won't need to draft it again. We will only copy this pattern each time to design many different styles and models. As you know, new tutorials are being added to the channel starting today, which are exclusive to channel members. So to ensure you don't miss out on these tutorials and to help me improve the quality of the lessons and, of course, the videos, be sure to join the channel. In the next video, I will teach you the maxi, midi, and mini variations of this style. It is truly incredible that we can have 4 different styles and looks with just one pattern. So don't miss the next video and be sure to have your patterns ready. And one more exciting piece of news. We will be having live videos soon, and I am very excited about this. I hope you enjoy the tutorials. And be sure to write to me about what kinds of lessons you would like us to have in the live videos. I plan to choose based on your feedback. I'm very excited to know where you are watching my video from. Be sure to write it for me in the comments.